Just real quick show of hands, how many have used Unify? Wow, a lot of people. Okay, great. So to start off, what is Unify? And a lot of you already use it, so you know what Unify is, but basically Unify is our entry into the enterprise IT wireless networking industry. So indoor wireless for hotels, conference centers, things like that. The main idea here is easy to install access points, very scalable, plug and play deployment. You take one access point out of the box, it automatically provisions into your centralized network management system. All configuration, all monitoring is done from one location. It easily supports hotspot, billing, any of the guest portal type applications that are common with enterprise wireless networking. It is powerful software and hardware, and of course comes with the typical Ubiquiti disruptive pricing that you see with all of our products. There are a few different models with Unify. One is actually missing from this slide. We do have a sample over there, the new 802.11 AC access point. But for indoors, we have 4 different models. We have the unified access point, the standard UAP model. We have a long-range version. We have a pro version, which is a dual radio, dual band radio that transmits in 2.4 and 5 gigahertz simultaneously. And then we also have the new 802.11 AC product, which is also dual band, dual radio, and supports the new 802.11 AC standard. And then we have 2 outdoor models. We have the 2.4 gigahertz outdoor model and 5 gigahertz outdoor model. First, I wanted to go over some of the standard features of Unify. If you've already been using Unify, you're probably aware of all of these features. We will go over Unify 3 after this. Unify 3 was just announced and is now being used for beta testing. But basic features that are supported now: centralized management. Like I discussed, Unify is controller-based, so the software is hosted somewhere in your network or on the cloud, for instance. And all the access points in your network heartbeat into that centralized management platform. All firmware, configurations, monitoring is all hosted from one location. It does support all the latest security features, so WPA, personal, enterprise, radius-based WPA authentication. It supports multiple SSIDs, so if you have different SSIDs for different customers, maybe bandwidth plans, or you have employees that you want to use one SSID and guests use another SSID, that is natively supported out of the box. We also support multiple VLANs. So if you want to tie VLAN directly to an SSID, that is also supported. Another nice feature of Unify is the guest access, hotspot billing. It's very easy to set up a network that users can connect to, see a splash screen or captive portal. And all of this is supported very easily out of the box. There's no need to install separate controller software or be an expert in software development to make this happen. There's no radius that's required. It is supported, but it's not required if you don't need it. All the software is contained in this simple to install and use package. And then, of course, like I mentioned, the layer 3 or cloud management. The controller, it's not necessary to have running on the local network. It can be installed on a server in your data center or in a virtual server somewhere on the internet. And next we have another video we wanted to share with you. This is a brand new video. It was just posted on our site a few days ago. So hopefully this will be new for you. This is announcing our new Unify version 3 and 802.11 AC release. So I'll play this and